The first day of the Minnesota State Legislature's 2024 session, and lawmakers across our area are gearing up to tackle some of the state's biggest infrastructure issues. KIMT News 3's Max Haslow is joining us live from the Capitol building in St. Paul. Max, what was the mood like for both the Senate and House representatives, and what legislative changes are lawmakers working towards?
Well, Jess, the mood today was fairly laid back as many of the senators and representatives were getting back into the swing of things in their offices. However, as the year goes on, it's hard to say if that will remain the case. Now, one of the main focuses this year will be on the House's bonding bill for infrastructure projects, which will include public safety fixes for Highway 14 abroad and around Byron. And I'm also told the number of new laws should be down from last year's session as lawmakers put more of a focus on fine-tuning some of those policies passed the previous year, such as the legalization of marijuana and changes to school resource officer responses. Now, I spoke with state senators Carla Nelson and Liz Bolden from Rochester about what they're hoping to see in this year's session.
The overarching plan for this session is to sort of improve and protect and build on the things that we passed last year and to continue moving in that direction to be sure that Minnesotans have what they need.
These things were passed, and there's some real glaring corrections here that need to be made. So I really tip my hat to all those who made those things known. So I do hope there's bipartisanship to get these things done.
And that bonding bill will require a 3/5 majority to pass in both the House and the Senate, and that means that bipartisan work this year is an absolute must. Live in St. Paul, Max Haslow, KIMT News 3.
Thank you, Max. Other issues local legislatures are looking at this year include rural child care, medical aid and dying, and consumer debt reform.